Hey everybody, how are you? It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Happy Friday. Yep, I know I missed Wednesday. I have been down and out with a bad cough. You probably can hear a little bit. I have this congestion that's been hanging on for it's about a week and a half now, and I'm not too happy about it. So yeah, I am taking some Mucinex and some other stuff. So, but once in a while it's okay, and then other times I get this coughing spell that I think my lung's going to come up. TMI, I know. So, anyway, Friday, the weather is a little dark outside today. I heard some thunder boomers not too long ago, and hopefully things are going to shape up. I'm just tired of the wishy-washy of the weather, if you know what I mean. It flip-flops. It could be 41 day and 70 the next, and that's what screws everything up. And as a public speaker, it's mighty pretty to have cough and cold stuff. Anyway, thanks for joining me. The weekend ahead, I don't have a whole lot going on. I am going to go see, with my best friend, the new Wedding Banquet. If you remember the Ang Lee movie that came out many years ago, it was a great film. They've done a remake, and he suggested we go see it tomorrow. So we are going to go see it, and I'll let you know how that is. And not really a whole lot going on. I'm trying to lay low a little bit, not do anything too crazy. I do want to let you know, and something I want to talk about, a couple of things before I let all of you go from watching, and thank you. The Legacy Walk. We have something here in East Lakeview on Halsted called the Legacy Walk, or we also call it the Legacy Project. And you can walk down the street, and it's you can read the contributions of LGBTQ plus folks throughout history. It's the only outdoor, it's a historic outdoor museum right here in Chicago. You can take a walk and go down there. It's really needing of a redo on some of the pillars right now, some painting, and that hopefully is going to come with some funding soon. But my dear friend Victor Salvo started all this, and at times I know it feels like a one-man show to him, although he's got a lot of wonderful people that back him up. But if you want some education on LGBTQ plus history, take a walk, take your kids with you, take your family. One of the things that you can do, and I'm not sure how long it's going to last for, but I did go view it, and you're going to see the video at the very end of this. They have a traveling installation of all these plaques and different information, and it's all divided up into culture and arts and everything. It is at the center on Halsted right now. I believe it's on the second floor. And you can go and get a little glimpse of the traveling installation. And if you want to have it in your college, university, corporation, pride event, whatever, you can check out all the information and give you the link right here to the Legacy Project. So check them out. You can find out more information online. Great. And I went to visit yesterday. I've seen the installation in Palm Springs and here in Chicago. So hats off to everybody that has so graciously put that together. Victor, thank you, my dear friend. It's wonderful. You've done a wonderful thing for the entire community and the world to educate our youth, and we need that more than ever. Speaking of our LGBTQ youth, I was really disturbed to learn this week that our government, our lovely government, is going to eliminate funding for the nation's only LGBTQ plus youth suicide prevention hotline. Mainly that is through the Trevor Project, and it's a disaster. It's a complete disaster and horrible because that is an incredible resource. I have volunteered for the Trevor Project and for that youth hotline, and it's a horrible thing to take away and a disaster for our LGBTQ plus youth. And we need to be resilient and fight this as much as we can. There's just so much stuff coming down, and I just worry what the repercussions are going to be because of this. It seems like it's always something new, disaster story every day, and I know a lot of you are feeling that. Here's the link to the Trevor Project. You can check things out. Go on the web, do a little research, and find out what's going on and be informed. And we need to rise up. We need to be resilient and fight this, because it's now more than ever. There's so many marginalized communities that are struggling, and I know a lot of you are feeling that. So I hope you all have a peaceful, great weekend ahead. Do something kind for yourself. Do something kind for others. Be inclusive and wonderful. Thanks always for checking in. Been a little frustrated with my low numbers and reaching out, because I like to reach out to the public. There's a lot of podcasts that I'm on that are circulating. I have a new one, and it's a doozy. It's called Lost Spaces. You can just type in the URL, and it's on Spotify, Apple, and I think one other venue. But I have a really deep R+ rated at times talk with a guy from that runs a podcast called Lost Spaces out of the UK. So check it out. It's on my Facebook page, but it's Lost Spaces. So there you go. That's all I got. Subscribe, like, and share. I will talk to you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Love you. Peace. I'll see you soon. Bye.